While you realize that a move to S/4HANA will lead to a whole new level of performance, you also know that convincing the business to undertake another large, complex ERP project can be challenging. To adopt S/4HANA, you need an industry accelerator that will reduce implementation timelines, costs and risks, and a partner who understands the complexities of discrete manufacturing in the industrial machine and components industry. Introducing HCL's Base90 for manufacturing, based on best practices gathered from over 20 years working in manufacturing. Base90 for manufacturing is built on top of and is fully integrated with SAP best practices for S/4HANA. It allows you to quickly adopt industry standard and focus instead on the processes that deliver strategic differentiation to your business. Base90 for manufacturing also includes industry-specific configuration, enhancements, templates, and change management tools delivered with hundreds of hours of pre-developed training materials tailored to the way you do business. It supports the full end-to-end project lifecycle and all domains of the implementation project, including program management, functional design, and technical build. The result: Base90 for manufacturing reduces the risk, time, and cost of implementing S/4HANA and significantly improves quality, compliance, production, supply chain, support, and after-sales service processes. Achieve world-class manufacturing excellence. Learn more at SAP@hcl.com.